Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And I was thankful to you all. Now we are reaching near about 3,400 subscribers. So thanks for joining with my YouTube channel and thanks for your comment and support for giving me a good encouragement to do lot more on my YouTube channel. Okay, so here this video I'm going to discuss about the Bollinger Band breakout. Previously we have 2 days back we have created a scanner and I was updated the scanner to on my Telegram channel. So based on that scanner some stocks we find out so that how it performed or how it worked. So that I'm going to let's see on this video. And before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And thanks for your subscribers. Thanks for already those who are subscribers. So yesterday we created a scanner on Bollinger Band breakout. So the stock which is the Bollinger Band is narrow. So when the narrowing up to last 30 days, if the Bollinger Band is narrow, so whenever the stock is crosses above that level or below that level, we are going to find out the trade opportunity. That is a minimum 30 days we are taken for a calculation. So when that any stock which forms that kind of pattern, so that will be scanned by this scanner and we will get it out. So now the first one, the PEL, which forms such a kind of pattern. Let's check it out. PEL, how it forms. I think there is a issue with this trading view right now. So having taking a time to load. Okay, so before that, I'll discuss about my previous stock. So yesterday, based on this scanner, on 17th September, we find out two stocks. One is SAIL and another one is NMDC. These two stocks which is scanned by the scanner on 17/9/2021. So let's say what happened on the stock based on this band. So the Bollinger Band is narrowing and the stock crossed below and closed below the lower Bollinger Band. So we are finding a sell opportunity at this level. Whenever it breaks below the level, so we are going to make a trade opportunity around 146 that we have discussed, right? But today what happened, the stock is opened by 143.20, even lower with open high 143.20, open and high as the same 143.20. That gives you some clue where the market is going down, and that is a breakdown point, but that is not giving you such opportunity. It is looks like open with a gap down, but what we have expected, there is a downside that was happening very good, and market moves and closed by 136. Even if you are taking by 150 or even 150 put options, even we can try to make such a great profit in today's scenario. So that is the power of this scanner that was giving you such a great opportunity. I was make that scanner and I have sent on my Telegram with the free of cost. You can make use of it, the scanner. The second stock one is SAIL, that is also be rocks today. I think that this one is not working well whenever something issues on that. SAIL. Now it is opened. We have to Bollinger Band. So let's see what happened in SAIL. That is again not given opportunity. There is an entry point around 114.5. Today is highest 113.25. There is a gap down, and after that it started down by 105, almost 9,000 rupees lot. Yesterday we marked, and also we have another opportunity. There is a Harami candle which forms here. When that Harami candle low also broken, and Bollinger Band also giving you confirmation at this entry point, where we are going to get such a great opportunity on that. So from 116 it coming down to 105. So this is 116, and today it started by 1111 something, and from that point it down by more than 10% today. If you are planning a put option, I was just tracking a put option of 120 when it is 11 rupees, but the lot size is almost 9,500. I was little bit scared about to take the trade, but after the trade that was more moves to from 11 to 17, the same option which moves to 11 to 17, that is also giving you such a great profit on based on the Bollinger Band breakout. And previously we discussed about the same Tata Chemical, and let's say Tata Chemical, that is giving you that entry and it is not break that high, and it breaks the low. It's almost 60 point within 2 days, and today it is fallen down. So that is a great opportunity using the Bollinger Band breakout. So that I have provided as a free of course. Then anyone who want to take it out, just take it from my Telegram channel. The link where I provided on the Telegram channel below this description of this video, you can find it out and join my Telegram channel. And today, what stock which is scanned by the PEL? Let's check it out. PEL, what happened? Either it closed up or down. PEL, where it is closed down, right? So there is an opportunity on PEL. If it is breaks below tomorrow, we can go for a short at the low point 2492. So there is an entry point on Bollinger based on Bollinger Band 2492 as the entry for a sell. But if you are taking a sell, your stop loss should be to somewhere around the high of this candle is 2632. That is a big risk, but you can play with the option once it is breaking the low. So you may be taking a small risk in options, or you can you can know hedging strategy. You can apply the hedging strategy here. Sorry. That's about that Bollinger Band that is working very well on our intraday trade. And also we have created hourly Bollinger Band also that I have updated on my Telegram channel. So that is the hourly Bollinger Band, the same breakout. So let's take what are the stock which is present today by this candle, and at around September 29:15. That is what the 10:15. That is the first 1 hour. We got these stocks. 9:15. Petronet, Division Lab, HCL, HDFC, AMC, SRF, and HDFC. When this same kind of Bollinger Band pattern, breakout pattern, where we are using for a 1 hour time frame. Let's say HDFC on 16 minutes. HDFC where it broken the low and it moves down. And the second one, SRF, HDFC, AMC, SRF, that is also working well when this first candle is broken below and it moves down. And HDFC, AMC, that has not given you opportunity. And finally Divi's Lab, HCL Tech, Petronet. Divi's Lab, what is that happening here? The both the candle it forms up and low, so there is a confusion at this end. So whether it lower Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band, so both it triggers on the first candle. So leave and ignore this, and if you even take this position at this level, this is what the next one is, the spinning top or doji, like that. When it is broken below the low, there is a big top. And finally Divi's, HCL Tech, and Petronet. HCL Tech, there is no opportunity, same like that, both the Bollinger Band triggers, so leave it. And finally Petronet, that was given the breakdown, the lower Bollinger Band at this point. So once it is broken, so it made a low, this is what your stop loss, entry, stop loss, target. Looks good. I hope this may be useful to you all, those who are want to take a intraday based on this Bollinger Band. And after that we got after 9:30 we got some more stocks. That is, this was happening by Britannia and Godrej Properties after 10:15. So the first candle should be even better to take other time frames like 11:15, 12:15. So that may be good. Britannia and Godrej Properties, that's also a problem. And after that what happened around 12:15, 11:15, that is a 12:15 closing. Okay, here it's showing opening Tata Motors ICICI. Tata Motor, that is what here at 12:15, where it is broken below that level, it is dropped. You got it from 305, it coming down to 297. And ICICI GI, what happened? This may happen in higher side, upper side at 11:15 when it is broken 29, and immediately it went out to 56. That is a good breakout. So anyone who want to take based on this scanner I have provided on that and my Telegram channel, make use of this scanner that was giving you such a great opportunity. I hope this may be useful. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed, just subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.